In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Trello cards from a CSV file. We'll walk through enabling a helpful power-up and bringing your data onto your board in just a few minutes, with clear tips to avoid common pitfalls. Start on the Trello board where you want your cards to appear. Open the Power-Ups menu at the top, then select Add Power-Ups to open the directory. In the search bar, type Trello Import to narrow the options. From the results, choose Import to Trello by Blue Cat, CSV Excel. This importer reads your CSV and converts each row into a Trello card, saving you a lot of manual work. Click Add to install the power-up on your board, and when prompted, click Add again to enable it. Next, select Authorize with Trello so the power-up can securely access your board. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant permission. This is required so the importer can create and update cards on your behalf. With authorization complete, click Choose File and select your CSV from your computer. For smooth mapping, make sure your CSV includes clear column headers such as name, description, labels, due date, and list. Keeping headers consistent and free of extra spaces will help the importer recognize fields correctly and reduce cleanup afterward. You'll now see the field mapping screen where you can edit each Trello field. Map the column that uniquely identifies each task to the card title. If you have detailed task info, map it to description. If your CSV includes the destination list for each card, map that to list so cards land in the right column on your board. When mapping due date, use a standard format like YMDD to avoid errors. If you have labels, map them to labels. The importer will match existing labels or create new ones if needed. Leave anything you don't use unmapped. Take a moment to scan the preview and watch for typos, blank rows, unexpected characters, or mismatched dates. When everything looks correct, click Check and Import. The importer will validate your file and show a quick summary. If an issue appears, cancel, adjust your CSV or mapping, and try again. Otherwise, confirm and your cards will be created on the board. After the import finishes, review your lists to confirm placement and spot check a few cards to verify titles, descriptions, labels, and dates look right. And that's it! You've successfully imported Trello cards from a CSV file quickly and confidently.